Alright, in this lesson we're learning about paragraphs and some basic text formatting. And here it's a little bonus. We have the HR, a horizontal row. It simply draws a line. You can modify that with CSS to look however you'd like, but let's begin with the paragraph tag. So that would be simply a P, and we would have an opening and a closing tag for the P. And in here you can type anything you'd like. I have some text that talks about HTML, so I'm just going to paste that in here. Let's hit save, see what that looks like. Alright, there we go. We got a paragraph. Pretty boring, so let's use some extra markup here to jazz it up a little bit. So here we got hypertext markup language. I'm going to make this bold, and we're going to use the bold element, which is simply a B. And we place the opening tag there, and I'm going to put the closing tag over here after HTML. There we go. Now that's bold. Pretty cool. We got some other ones. We got italics. I'm going to turn cascading style sheets and CSS into italics. So that is simply the I. And let's hit save. And let's take a look. Nice. Okay, cascading style sheets and CSS. It's all in italic. We also have another one called emphasis, which is EM. Is it save? And as you can see, it also italicized it. But it is telling the browser that it is not just italicized, but it is more important than other words because it is emphasized. So some of these tags don't only change the style or the way that it looks, but also changes the meaning of the words that are wrapped within them. We also have one called strong, which is another word to add emphasis to text, and it is styled like bold. We also have another one that I think is pretty neat. It's called mark. Pretty much like you grabbed a marker or a highlighter and went over the text. Let's take a look at that. There we go. HTML documents is highlighted. I like that. And inside a paragraph, you can also put a link. So let's say you want to put a link in your text to another page on your website or another page on the internet. You can wrap your text in an anchor tag. Type the href. I'm just going to put a pound symbol so it doesn't go anywhere. And put the closing tag here. Alright. HTML describes. There goes the link. Doesn't do anything. Okay, so this is basic formatting for paragraphs. I'm going to show you a little bit more in the next lesson.